Article 760 covers fire alarm systems. Section 760.121 specifically addresses fire alarm boxes. Subsection A discusses general requirements stating that the fire alarm box assembly must be approved as an assembly and must consist of several components. Firstly, boxes are required. These must be metal or non-metallic boxes with removable covers for housing electrical components. Secondly, an operating device is needed. This could be a breakable window or a recessed button that when activated will mechanically or electrically trip the alarm. Thirdly, an alarm initiating device is necessary. This is typically a switch, normally open, that closes when the operating device is activated. Fourthly, auxiliary devices are permitted. These components include items like alarm lamps, indicators, and test switches. In essence, Article 760.121 outlines that a fire alarm box must be an approved assembly consisting of an enclosure, a means to initiate the alarm, a device to signal the alarm, and potentially other components to support the system's functionality. The metal or non-metallic box serves as a protective enclosure for the electrical components of the fire alarm system. The removable covers allow for easy access during installation, maintenance, and inspection. The operating device, like a breakable window or recessed button, provides a readily accessible method for individuals to manually activate the fire alarm system in case of a fire or other emergency. The alarm initiating device, typically a normally open switch, triggers the actual alarm signal when the operating device is activated. This ensures that the fire alarm system is alerted to the emergency condition. Auxiliary devices such as alarm lamps, indicators, and test switches provide additional functionality and information about the fire alarm system status. Alarm lamps can visually indicate the location of the activated alarm, while indicators can display the system's overall status. Test switches allow for periodic testing of the fire alarm system to ensure its proper operation. The requirement for the fire alarm box assembly to be approved ensures that it meets specific safety and performance standards. This approval process involves testing and certification by recognized organizations to verify that the assembly is reliable and effective in its intended function. By adhering to these requirements, the fire alarm system can provide timely and effective warning to occupants in the event of a fire or other emergency, enabling them to evacuate safely and minimizing the risk of injury or loss of life. It is important to consult the complete text of Article 760 and any applicable local codes or regulations to ensure full compliance with all requirements for fire alarm systems and boxes. Also note that there may be additions, modifications, or deletions to the code requirements by the local authority having jurisdiction which would take precedence over the NEC.